so we can put the interior back together. Hello, my Rover friends, and welcome back to the Lucky 8 channel. Big update today. We've got the seats back from the upholsterer so we can put the interior back together in our i95 5-speed disco. This is the disco that I'm going to take down I-95. You're invited to join along or at least meet up for a cold, frosty beverage. By the end of the video, we should have the interior back in, the seats back in. The front things I'm not going to paint today because it is -9. There's no way that any of the paint work's going to get done. We'll save that for another video. So I'm just going to focus on getting the vehicle back together, back on the road so I can enjoy it a little bit. Look for any problems. I'm out of things to say. Cue the intro. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is put the carpet back in. This is a used carpet that we got from my buddy Bill from Overland in Euro Parts. Oh my God, this looks brand new. Bill, thank you very much. It's gonna look amazing in our 95 5-speed. So I'm gonna put the interior back in so we can get the seats back in so that we can actually drive the car. All right, come on inside. Before I put the carpet on it, let's just take a look at my magical pour 15 job. I'm no professional, but that said, I am super happy with the way it came out. We were able to plug that hole over there and the one up front. There was a little one on the other side. We took care of that too. I am ready to get the carpet in. Night and day difference. My God, Bill, thank you so much for getting me that carpet set. Our buddy Bill from Euro Parts and Overland. Hit him up on Instagram if you need something. He's also got an eBay store. Again, Bill, you transformed this car. I actually want to take a ride in it now. Before we do that, I'm going to get to the light guards and I'm going to pull these off. I'm going to take them home, paint them. But come on inside for a minute. Let's just enjoy the new interior, new used, better interior. A local guy did the seat bottoms for me. So now we have a place to sit as we drive across the country. The uppers were just astronomical to get them done. He sewed that one back together best he could. and put a new seat bottom on the passenger side. So I'm gonna live with that. We're gonna put some seat covers on, protect what's left of the back. But the carpet is in, fantastic. Seats are in. Internet, I need help. I'm missing the little plastic trims. If we've got those, I would be interested in purchasing them. And then out back, absolutely beautiful. These gotta go. I'm gonna change those right now, and then we can move on to the next project. All right, my friends, it has been a day. I'm super satisfied with the way the interior came out. Thanks again, Bill. The carpet is fantastic. It is now a place that you want to be in, especially for a 6,000 mile journey, something in that realm. I'm gonna take these home, paint them, and that'll leave just one more thing to do. Be sure to follow.